Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard Zadie in Fortnite. Vanguard Zadie is a highly sought-after outfit, known for her unique style and design. She is a member of the Vanguard set, which includes several other themed items. Obtaining her is straightforward, but it requires knowing when and where to look. Let's dive into the details of how you can add this fantastic skin to your locker. Vanguard Zadie primarily becomes available through the Fortnite item shop. Epic Games frequently rotates items, so her appearance isn't on a fixed schedule. This means you'll need to keep a close eye on the shop's daily updates. While there's no guaranteed date, popular skins like Zadie tend to return every few months. Patience is key when waiting for her to show up. When Vanguard Zadie appears in the item shop, you'll need V-Bucks to purchase her. She usually costs 1,200 V-Bucks, which is a standard price for rare outfits. You can acquire V-Bucks by purchasing them directly from the in-game store using real currency. Alternatively, if you own the Battle Pass, you can earn a significant amount of V-Bucks by progressing through its tiers. Make sure you have enough ready. To ensure you don't miss Vanguard Zadie when she returns, consider following reliable Fortnite news accounts on social media. Many accounts provide daily item shop updates, giving you a heads up. You can also set up notifications for specific skin trackers. Remember, the item shop refreshes every day at a specific time, so be ready to grab her. Also, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.